Y'all, it's this one person here getting on my mother freaking nerves.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
I think this is my room. I'll take this room. Oh, that's got 2 beds in there.
I'll run into the room.
This bitch is lit. Oh, that's y'all gonna be y'all room. Obviously, that's the master. Let me see. Oh, y'all got a nice little TV up in here. A walk-in closet. Turn the light on. Oh, it's right here.
They got all of that.
This is nice. Y'all, look at this. This is the upstairs. I already claimed my room.
Okay, what's
I guess all the... This is my room, y'all. I'm claiming this room. This is my room. I'm not sharing. Oh, they got towels. Okay, so we got towels. Okay, so we got... This one is locked. We got a washer and dryer. Ooh, yo, it's litty. That's the front door upstairs. Oh, this one locked too. On the side. What is this? Oh, this is the garage, y'all, if y'all want to park in That's the garage.
Where the kitchen at? Yeah.
This is Kevin Diesel though. Whose room is this? Who claiming this room? This is nice. I should have grabbed this room.
That's the backpack. That's the backpack. You love that boy?
I already claimed this room.
Hold on, folks. Get out my room, folks.
This is my room. It's my bed. Y'all, we finally made it. We made it to the place. Oh my God. Finally. Freaking finally we made it. Oh, I got a little like TV or a little monitor up in this room. A little closet. Let's go upstairs.
Oh, my man. My bed is...
Is that trunk open? Let's see. Cause I need my suitcase. Here we go.
This shit.
This is nice. I wish I didn't get a room like right next to the front door, but whatever.
Is this some food?
Why would there be food up in here?
How you got that room, Josh? I put it in the fridge. They got that on.
Oh, but if you want to cook, they got all type of stuff in there.
No, they definitely was like, y'all can use whatever y'all want to do.
Oh, yeah, it's a Walmart, 6 minutes away.
6 minutes? Oh, decent.
Walmart 6 minutes away.
And then we got a TV. And I'm sure we have Wi-Fi. This is a nice couch. It's lit up here. Somebody could sleep on the couch too. Had a TV all to themselves.
It's a mat up and up. Hey, motherfucker, you smoke it, bro? Mark, we up here.
Here we go.
Y'all, look at this house. It's so nice. I ain't really got much to say because I'm so sleepy and I'm tired. But, oh yeah, is this the deck?
What up to the other tall ass wood you had?
Oh, y'all, we got a deck. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna do a full house tour tomorrow. But yeah, ooh, snap. This is nice. And I don't know if y'all can see those stars, but super, super nice. Longest drive of my life, though. I really want to go heat up my quesadilla.
I think that shit was like 250. Yeah, like 250. Where the Henny at? Oh, they had 2 bags in it.
This is cool. What's in here? Absolutely nothing. This house is kind of creepy. Just a little bit, but it's nice at the same time. But yeah, this is my room right next to the front door. I'm gonna do a official like tour tomorrow, but right now it's like 9. I'm super tired. I'm about to heat up my quesadilla and then probably chill for a little bit, and then I'll just see y'all tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching, and come back for part 2 of this vlog. Hey. Some other people have made it with their rental. So these are the last 3 people to show up to the party. Oh my god. But yeah, oh, I can't even show y'all this. No, I'm not showing y'all until tomorrow. But I should get shots of it, how it looks at nighttime. So I'm gonna pan. Okay. Right over here, here's my phone. I wanna go downstairs, go in my room, sit in there for a minute and get my Cheetos. Cause I don't want nobody stealing my room. That's another reason why I'm coming down here. Some new people in here and I don't want them stealing my room. But yeah, let me turn the light on at least. Let me call my friend. Y'all, I have no freaking service. No service. So I'm irritated. I can't text, I can't call nobody, I can't FaceTime nobody. Like, what am I to do? I need my phone. And even this TV says no signal. This would be nice if this was like actually my room. Obviously, I would have more things on the wall, but yeah. I got 1 bar. Call my best friend. Why does it keep saying no service? I'm trying to FaceTime her. They do anything for clout. do anything for clout. Oh my god, I don't want to share my room. Cause this room is already small. I'm gonna be mad. They're out there being loud, talking loud, like, shh, shut up.
It's one of
This room is low key nice. Whose room is it?
Shit, all three of them. Also, it's just dirty when he laid stretched out there, y'all on the y'all. He stretched out snoring. You wake up on the floor.
Yo, I can't deal.
We gonna beat him in the middle of the night. Go ahead. We gonna wake up for him.
Okay. Thank you.
You gonna get on that bro scoot up?
Oh, okay. Why am I showing y'all the house? I'm not supposed to be showing y'all until tomorrow. Oh my god, this is so funny. This shit was funny as hell. Yo, okay, let me stop showing y'all the house. It's another mat? Where'd y'all get this one from?
They got the
Oh, they in there?
Yeah, they probably.
Those?
Yeah. I don't know. They probably got like 10 of them.
Dang, I wish we had. How many bedrooms in this house? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3 4 bathrooms.
Tomorrow, what's the mood though, man? I'm gonna hit that you recording.
Duh.
Hey, we should smack that bitch with T.I. in there for. I tell you, we down there.
We damn diesel.
Bro, that bitch freezy. That bitch decent.
It's gonna be our scene.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
The festival?
Yeah. You know it's gonna be busting real.
It's from 10 to 6, so we gotta get up.
That's the only really black side and shit. Man, you know. That was that.
I think somebody called you. Oh, he called you.
We trying to hoop tomorrow?
What?
They got a 24-hour gym around this bitch.
For real?
Damn.
How many an hour? Huh? An hour?
I ain't got no.
We going that bitch tonight. That's what I was thinking. Like that bitch 24 hours.
Is it back this way or this way?
I don't know. It's like
Hit you with the miles so you think it's 3? Says how many?
Oh, y'all can walk.
How many miles it is?
3.
Oh,
I got 23. I'm gonna yeah, no, that bitch down the street.
High as hell, drunk as hell.
Bro, we got enough for a whole fucking full court. They got
Everybody playing.
It's called 24-hour fitness though. Go in there and sign up for the free. It's a 7-day free pass.
I can't hurt myself like that.
Hold on.
I retired.
Hold on, boy.
Somebody broke your shit.
Ain't no woods to the next 30 miles.
That's a gas station right up the street.
Boy, you don't know if they got woods, boy?
They probably do that.
It
ain't no hell of a If you look past, when you was driving, it was
a Walmart. It's actually some shit around here.
It was only old ass motherfuckers. You can't say you see the young person.
I ain't pay attention like that.
I was paying attention to you.
It's good shit on their carpet, bro. You gotta pay for this shit. Pay for cleaning.
I ain't know you said. Shit's already right there. I low-key wish I would have grabbed them edibles though.
Yeah, you did. You weren't interpreting this drive and how far it was.
Drive though, that bitch would have been relaxed as hell for that. Tense like a motherfucker.
We had a little ease though. That's all it was.
We're about to take shots. Okay. Got.
You gotta say how you came out. Baby, I promise I'll speak it. Only thing that I can say is you done my best guy. So you main nigga, he extra. Now push up and your ass out. Where you come from when you fly? Oh, yeah. It's right back to him like an accident.
Too much? Every time I have like some type of liquor, my heart starts beating like really, really fast. Gee, I don't know how this vlog is going to be because right now I just feel like it's all over the place. And like y'all, like for the last couple months, like my life has just been all over the place. Like just so much shit has been going on in my life. So I really, me more than anybody that is in this house needs this trip. Like I need this trip to relax, to calm my nerves, to have fun, because I've been wanting to chill out and have fun for a really, really long time, and now I'm finally getting the opportunity to do so. So I'm with cool people, good people, and I'm just ready to like have fun. And this house is amazing, and I can totally see myself living in something nicer and bigger than this one day. But yeah, like how I said, I'm gonna give y'all like an official house tour. So yeah, but we drove like 4 hours from Denver, Colorado. Now we are in Salida, Colorado, and it's like 4 hours away from Denver, Colorado. So y'all, I am tired. I think y'all can tell like in my face, like I'm sleepy, like I'm tired. I'm like half asleep. I did not sleep. I packed my bag the night before the flight. So I'm like really tired. I'm really sleepy. I do want to have fun, and I do want to turn up, and I want to like be with these people and like have fun. But I'm just like, I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Yes, I'm here in Denver. I'm having a lot of fun. Even like the 4-hour drive, like I'm not even complaining about it, because at least like I wasn't sitting at home. I wasn't at work, you know, depressed or bored. I was in the car for 4 hours with people, with good people, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me come out of here, because they're gonna be like wondering like, where the fuck is Tyler? How you feel? How you feel? I don't want it. Ooh, y'all, they got Starbucks. I mean, Starburst. I'm sure about to steal one. Get one, please.
How the fuck you telling me you finna steal
wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us you, I'll hate me, bitch. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitches is mad. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
Y'all, it's this one person here getting on my mother freaking nerves. But I'm not gonna say nothing, you know? Because I'm trying to have good vibes. Good vibes. And I'm tired. And I don't have no fucking service. This is my phone. Oh my God, finally somebody picks up.
So it wasn't your first time.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.